Okay, hello students. How are you today? We will try to answer this question about electrolysis, okay? The question is, in the electrolysis of molten lead to bromide, the reaction occurring at the negative electrode was lead to plus 2 electron to giving lead. The first question is, write the equation for the reaction taking place at the positive electrode, and the second one is, why is the reaction taking place at the negative electrode viewed as a reduction reaction. Okay, the first step to begin to answer this question is breaking down each information given on the question. The first information given is molten lead to bromide. Remember that the kind of the electrolytes that used in this reaction is molten lead to bromide. I will write it down directly. PBBr2, molten PBBr2. Molten. Typically, when we use molten, the ions that will be reacting at each electrodes is the ion, both ions of this compound, or we call this as binary ion. Binary ions. Lead to bromide consists of lead to plus ions plus bromine minus. To make it equal, I'll give 2 in front of the bromine, or this question already balanced. Then the second information is the reaction occurring at the negative electrode. Negative electrode is cathode, was Pb2 plus 2 electron to give Pb. Do you still remember what is the reaction take place at the cathode? Reduction or oxidation? Yes, good. That is reduction. Then the first question is, write the equation for the reaction taking place at the positive electrode. Do you still remember what is the positive electrode? Yes, that is anode. Anode is the positive electrode. What is the ion will react at the anode? You can take a look at the compound that is lead to bromide, consists of lead 2 plus ions and Br minus. Lead 2 plus already reacted at the cathode. So, since this is molten electrolytes, each ions or both ions on the compound will be reacting too. So the ions will be react at the anode is bromine minus. Bromine gain electron I mean bromine lost electron here. To make it balanced, I'll give 2 in front of the bromine ions, and also the electron need to be balanced out. Since there are 2 bromine ions, so the electron that is released, also there are 2 electrons. This is the reaction at the anode. We can also name this reaction as oxidation. And then the second one, why is the reaction taking place at the negative electrode viewed as a reduction reaction? Do you still remember what actually reduction reaction means? Is that loss or gain electron? Yes, good job. Reduction means that the ions gain electron, gain electron, gain electron, so make the oxidation number decreases. Decreases. Here's why. The reaction taking place at the negative electrode viewed as a reduction reaction.